Hello all, and welcome to the next video here in the Onion Man's Rooftop Two-Headed Cow Caravan of Treasure and sometimes barter. The streak continues, as it always will. We are back with Masters of the Universe Origins, The Return. I love The Return. Anyway, and we're taking a look at Stridor. Got this a while back, and again, like I said, a lot of my MOTU Origin stuff just kind of started stockpiling, and I'm getting around to it finally. So yay. We have the Stridor set here. Looks awesome. I love the artwork. He-Man riding Stridor. We also got Skeletor right back here on the Roton, which I do have. Roton, eventually you'll see the video for Roton. I picked it up at my Walmart. I think that might be the Roton, I believe is the last thing I bought at my Walmart Masters of the Universe Rise. Everything else I have found on Big Bad Toy Store. So yeah. And actually, it's funny. My Walmart still has tons of Stridor. When they finally came in, I don't know how popular the Masters of the Universe Origins line really is. I want to believe that it must be doing well for them to continue it for so long now. I remember people were talking about it ending like last year, and it never did. It just kept going, which I'm thankful for. I love them. But yeah, I'm kind of interested in how popular it really kind of is and everything. But oh well. Cool. Is that... Hold on here. I'm confused. Is that Sunman, like, in the background? Like, right here, this kind of silhouetted figure? Is that supposed to be Sunman? Was Sunman out by this point? No, he wasn't. But I think that's Sunman. Was that like a hint that Sunman was coming? Hold on here. Yo, it had to be. That is Sunman. I don't know if Sunman had been announced at this point or not when Stridor came out, but he's on the box there. That's interesting. It's like a little hint at Sunman. Cool. When I get to Sunman, I'll kind of go over like the origin of Sunman. It's really cool. It's a fascinating real life story, and really cool, and just the way it got integrated into Masters of the Universe Origins. So, anyways, here's Stridor. Here's the back of the box again. I love these old comic book style backs. One half warhorse, one half machine, or one half war machine. Stridor carries the heroes of Eternia to victory. So pretty cool there. Yeah. Flying Fist He-Man. See, like, that's one that I didn't get. I did not get Flying Fist He-Man. I thought about getting Terror Claw Skeletor. I ended up not getting it, and we've already looked at these three, or these four, so cool. Is what it is. All right, Stridor. Let's go ahead and get into this. Try not to waste too much time here. A lot of dust on these. Been so long. Honey, it's been so long. Yeah. Ooh. There we go. Kind of trying to think about what comes next after this. I got a couple of deluxe boxes I think are kind of at... No. I think after this one specifically is either going to be the Roton or it's going to be that Sunman set that also has like Anti-He-Man and I think Clawful is in that set, which that's one I'm really looking forward to. Clawful, just because again I love the goofy characters like Clawful and Buzz-Off. So that's pretty cool. Oh yeah, let's just tear the box right off the gate here. Oh, this is in there. Hold on. Yeah, I had to take the whole thing out. I thought it would just come out on the bubble. No, he is in there. Hold on, let me look. It's mostly tape. Some rubber bands holding some stuff in place, but it's mostly tape. Shouldn't be too hard. It's gonna be a lot of cutting, so apologies. I am not good at holding something in front of the camera and cutting. if you, in some of my past videos, I tried to do that. It did not go well. So off screen here, you're going to see a little bit of blankness and nothingness. Enjoy the N64 and GameCube there. I got a Sherlock Holmes book down there. That's pretty cool. H.P. Lovecraft, the complete collection of his work. It's good. Some good stuff is good. Some stuff is just boring. It is what it is. Paradise Lost, great book. You should read it. Anyway, I'll try to kind of talk as I'm cutting here. I really enjoyed the return of Masters of the Universe here. There's the connection piece to the base. Again, Masters of the Universe is much like Ninja Turtles way before my time. So getting like Masters of the Universe Origins or the Ninja Turtle Super 7 figures, same thing with Thundercats. I never got the LJN Thundercats figures. They're all way before my time, growing up wise. So it's been really, this has been one of my low-key, one of my more fun things to unbox and look at going back, because I was a fan of the cartoon when it would air reruns. We've got the kind of, I know there's a name for the thing that goes on a horse's head, but I don't know what this is. Armor helmet piece for the horse. Oh, that's going to require some intuition to get out. Hold on. Okay, got that piece cut. Got that cut. What else? I see more pieces. I'm trying to get like everything I can cut at once here. I think I almost got it all. At least for Stridor itself. Oh, one around the neck. I just found it. Haha! Oh no! I thought I was done. No. Now I'm done. Okay, almost done. Okay, we got the actual Stridor out of here. He had a lot of these little rubber bandy pieces in there, so that was kind of annoying to deal with. I also was able to finally cut out the, hold on. Get over there. The base that he comes with. Try to get these out. There we go. I have the reins. Take a look at those in a minute. There's like a wooden stable fence piece that goes on the base, I believe. Okay, this part might be a little tricky to get out. Hopefully not. Okay, I got the first piece out there. Oh boy. Ooh. Oh, geez, that was a pain in the ass. Okay. I have little, I think they're guns that kind of mount on there. And then the last thing, which I just dropped one, are some blasting effects, I think. I think that's what those are. There's 3 of them. I was getting those out, so boom. Didn't take as long as I thought it would. It had a lot of plastic pieces, but once you cut them all, I kind of try to cut them all at once in one go through so everything falls out nice. And it kind of worked, so hey. So we'll kind of take a look at some of the more general accessories first and then kind of get into Stridor last. First off, again, we have the actual base. So there you go. Kind of looks a lot like a piece that would go with the Castle Grayskull set. It's got that same coloring to it. So I think the first piece we'll kind of lock in there is this fencing piece. Looks like it's got 2 peg holes right there at the top for it. I'm going to guess they can go in either way. Maybe not. Nope, goes in this way. Okay, so that was easy. Goes right in. And then we have Look at the box here. See what the box kind of gives me an idea. Yep. Curves outward toward that fencing piece. Ooh! That landed wrong. So this piece, the curve goes that way towards the big fence post. So that'll probably just pop right in there. If it's anything like the Wind Raider. Yep, popped right in pretty easy. Come out easy? Not so much. Popped in easy. Gonna be hard as hell to get out. So there's the base all set up. Now we can kind of take a look at Stridor. We'll take a look at his accessories in a minute. And there he is. I like it. He looks pretty cool. This head has, look at that. That is way more movement than I thought it would have. That's actually really cool. That is some crazy articulation on the head for the horse. The legs, they do move. They got a click noise to them, but they do move. Everything's good. The tail has a little bit of articulation, not much. He's got a little gun right there on his butt. Kind of works out. Put any figure you want in here. On the box, it's He-Man, but you could probably use anybody you want. There's like the stickering on the back. These are stickers. Kind of shows all like the mechanics. There's the inside right there with like a little panel. Silver, orange, brown. Got more there on the side. Kind of like a little metallic coat of arms on that sticker. He looks really good. Got the blue eyes. Very robotic looking. I'm kind of amazed by... I know this sounds dumb, but I'm kind of amazed by the head articulation on this. Try to see if I can get him a little bit more... Oh, the front legs don't have like that clicking noise. It's just the back legs. See if I can get him standing up a little bit straight. It almost feels like I'm playing with a... I'm moving around a Voltron, which... did I unbox Voltron on this channel? I bought the re-released Voltron classic figures and put them together. I want to say I did. Go back and watch that. That was a fun video. I think I did. Move that headpiece. He's just got like a brown leather kind of looking cap here. But then you can add on that piece. I actually think this piece looks way cooler. It's also the one that's on the box, I think. Yeah, it's the one that's on the box. No, it's not. Hold up here. The box actually uses this one. The box art. So, interesting. But if you want, you can get this one. I like this one. It has kind of like the feathered things going on. Looks really nice. I'll keep the box art one. I'm guessing that's a little bit more original since they put it on the box art. If I'm wrong, oops. But there we go. Stridor. Looks great. I like it. It's kind of like a mixture of like a wooden-esque mid-piece with mechanical head and backside and legs. Cool. I'm going to guess these go... Yes, these go on the front. So I'm going to pop these in. I think I put them in right. Okay, sorry about that. Oh no, that didn't work out the way I thought it would. There we go. Those were harder to get in than I thought they would. So the little blasters go on the sides here, and they do move. Not a lot, but they do. So there you go. And then, of course, you have the blasting effects. So I guess these could kind of go on here. If you wanted. Or there's 3 of them, so I'm guessing one goes back here too. Yep, there you go. So works out whichever way you want. I'm going to kind of stick those in there. Call it good. And then hope I can get them out later. Although, don't tell me I already got one stuck. Nope, there we go. Okay, I would leave those out. I hate getting stuff stuck like that. And then we have the reins. Of course, he does have, and I noticed this when I took the reins out, an articulated jaw. So, blah. He's like, I don't know why I did that. So that goes there, and then whoever's inside grabs them. There you go. I mean, pretty simple. Like, it looks very intricate in the box. Out of the box, it's actually very simple. The Wind Raider was the same way. A lot of these are the same way. They were 80s toys. They weren't meant to be intricate, unless you're getting like the helicarrier from the G.I. Joe line or some crazy shit. I guess I could kind of put them on the stand. I kind of don't, because I remember when I put the Wind Raider on its stand, it was so hard to get off. But I guess if you wanted to, that's kind of how he would look. I'm not going to put it fully on there, but it will fit in. It's got a peg on the bottom there. But there we go. Stridor. Yeah, I mean, pretty cool. I like it. I'm not sure what else other vehicles that we're getting. I know I have the Roton, and I've got the Ground Ripper that comes with Mechaneck. Why Mechaneck's first release is with a car, I don't know. Is that how it was originally in the original line? If that's the case, then okay, I get it. If not, then I would have really preferred just getting Mechaneck on his own and the Ripper with some other character at some point. But it is what it is. I'm glad to have both. I don't know when that video is going to come out. That's one of the more new orders that came in recently. So it'll probably be a while. But anyway, yeah, Stridor, pretty cool. I like it. It works for what it is. Very intricate looking, but very basic in the way it works. And I like it. So yeah, if you liked the video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. You do not have to if you do not want to, but I appreciate anybody who does. And thank you. I will catch you guys in the next video.